Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about weekly stock market review. Week is over, let's do technical review. Let's move to, and we will figure out, is it bull market or what's going on with the stock market on weekly time frame. Please subscribe for YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel, I really appreciate it. Let's move to trading view. Trading view, let's start from heat map, right? Let's start from heat map. It's all USA companies weekly performance based on the market cap. Looks great, it looks great. You see large cap, at least large caps looks good on finance and technology, all looks good. Energy, little bit red, health, but generally looks good. Generally, USA market looks good. Okay, let's move to charts. Let's start from charts. We are going to talk about Qs, major indexes, right? Let me briefly mention about my setup. If you want to learn about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup, training, and other links about all my trainings. Feel free to watch it and learn it. And tomorrow I will publish monthly updates. Month is over and week is over. Now it's a time. Okay, let's start. Moving averages, white line. I'm using moving averages. White line, it's a SMA 200. Yellow line EMA 20. Red line SMA 10. Green line SMA 5. Buy and sell script indicator, and moving MACD indicator. Green line it's a bullish, red line it's a bearish. Also RSI indicator, yellow line, Heikin indicator, green line, green bars bullish, red bars bearish. Let's start on weekly time frame. Qs, look at it. This is, yeah, that's what it was low, right? November, October. Generally it's from October. It started from October. Q started from October, but final was like triple bottom was in December. Started from December, even beginning of the year, January. January it started bullish. How it works, you see simple trading style, very simple. Let me show it to you. You see when the MA5 and 10, look at it from here, right? It's from 2020. When MA5 and 10 moved about 20, about yellow line, these bars about yellow line, and about 20 and 20 is uptrend. It's a bullish trend. You see, it was bullish trend up to the top, right? When MA5 and 10 did bearish crossover over 20 and 20 is downtrend, yellow line, and bars below yellow line, it is bearish trend. That's how it works. You see in January it did move above yellow line, and so far it's still above yellow line. It is bullish trend. Bullish trend. What's going on now? You see the last bar, it's 1 week. Last bar very far from 20. It's disconnected from 20. Bullish. It's MACD bullish. RSI very overbought around like 42, 43, 44. Very overbought. When it was overbought, you see it was over here, right? Overbought. That's what happened from the top. Did correction. Similar now. Qs very overbought. Definitely wants to have some correction. But trend is bullish. You see, we tested this April 2022 high, and it's kind of strong resistance here. You see resistance 1, resistance here. If I move this line to this side, it's a lot of resistance. You see, to boom, 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 a lot of resistance points. And definitely in this area, at least it wants to have some sideways. because it's a lot of resistance, or it can be rejected from this area. We'll see. From this, you see this area, it did kind of stop sideways because there was a lot of also resistance here, but it moved up. Same here. Maybe it will have some correction. It should be some correction. Okay, but this bar is kind of bullish tail bar, bullish hammer bar. That's how they call it. Bullish hammer bar. Okay, bullish trend on weekly time frame for Qs. Very powerful, the most strongest index Qs. Daily time frame, it is bullish also. Same scenario, all bullish. RSI was in overbought territory. Bearish divergence on the daily time frame, bullish trend on all indicators. Last bar disconnected from 20. Let's go back to the weekly time frame. No, we have bearish divergence only on the MACD histogram. Only on the MACD histogram. Let me show you. Over here, you see price action from here to here, it's uptrend. Price action is uptrend, histogram is downtrend. Bearish divergence, even from this point, price action is uptrend, it's a bearish divergence, downtrend. Bearish divergence on the histogram only. Okay, let's move to SPX weekly time frame. Let's see. It tested only August 2022. Qs tested April 22. This place. You see, it's Qs the most strongest. S&P 500. It's strong, but it's not the same powerful. Last bar, bullish bar, and it's kind of disconnected from 20. Bullish trend on MACD and bullish trend on RSI. RSI just touched overbought territory. Heikanaichi green bullish. Similar story on weekly time frame. It has bearish divergence on the histogram only. From August. We didn't touch it yet, almost there. Yeah, we're almost there. It's kind of, we need one more green day to retest it August high, August 15 high. But we tested already August 8. That's all. Bullish. S&P 500 bullish also. Let's check daily. Daily it is bullish and disconnected from 20. Last bar disconnected from 20. Bearish divergences on daily time frame, definitely on all indicators. You see RSI, bearish divergence on the MACD, bearish divergence on the multiple bearish divergences on daily time frame. It means S&P wants to have some correction. Dow Jones, let's start weekly time frame. Dow Jones. Dow Jones very weak. It was very weak. You see, the previous week it was bearish. It was bullish bar actually, but it was red bar, bearish trend. Last week it did move. Even this week it did move below 20, but it recovered. It was powerful week, right? And this week was powerful, and it did like 2% profit this week, 2% positive. And MACD red just switched to green. You see the green line, it's a switch to green. Heikanaichi red. It's kind of in decision mode because it can continue to go bullish, or it can quickly turn back and continue to go bearish. Because you see it's kind of the price action, it's flat, right? Even for several weeks it's flat around the same level between 340 and 320. It dancing around this area at the MA20 for last 10 weeks, for last 3 months. Kind of neutral, kind of flat. It was bearish, now it's flat. Let's check daily. Daily it was bullish. It is because of this bar. Because yesterday it was very nice bull run. And that's why 2 days was very nice bull run. That's why it makes a kind of weak to turn to bullish. MACD green, Heikanaichi, it's a bullish reversal signal. We'll see. It's disconnected from 20. Will it get continuous bullish trend or it will be corrected? We will see. Bullish trend on daily time frame, and weekly it's kind of flat. Now let's move to IWM. IWM the weakest, right? IWM the weakest. If we compare where it was April, May 2022, we didn't move anywhere. It's a bearish trend. Bearish trend. Similar like Dow. Let me move back to Dow. Dow, you see also. This is the April 2022. It didn't actually almost touch here. Didn't test it. Didn't test this level. It almost tested in December. This is the August high. But it's still at the same level. Dow, it reached that level, August high, previous year, and is dancing around this year, like 340. That's what August was, 343. 343, and it's still dancing around this 343. It's kind of flat for last year, 1 year. 1 year, Dow didn't move anywhere. Same flat action. Let's move to IWM, even weakest, right? Weaker. Look at it. This is the March. This is the August 2022, and now it is below 200. MA5, 10 and 20 below 200. It is bearish territory. Even green bar was last week. It was very green bar, nice bullish reversal, buy signal. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. MACD did bullish crossover green line. Heikanaichi green, RSI did bullish crossover on the weekly time frame. Nice positive bullish reversal signal. But remember, still moving averages below 200, bearish territory. Still MACD below zero line, it's a bearish territory. Heikanaichi is still below zero line, it's a bearish territory also. Let's move to daily. Daily, it's a green bar, nice move. It's about 200. All moving averages still below 200, still bearish territory. MACD at zero territory, zero level. And Heikanaichi moved to bullish territory, and RSI also. Daily it looks better, but still weak because moving average is below 200. That's what we observe. Let's move to Apple weekly time frame. Let's see Apple. Let's see what's going on with Apple. You see Apple, it's almost at the record high. This was the record high, January 2022, the top of the Apple market. 183, almost 183, and we're almost there. It's like few more bucks to go. We closed 81, we touched 81, right? Even higher. Let me see on the 5 minutes. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, this level. It was almost 182. We didn't touch $1, one more dollar to test this line. Almost there. One more dollar. It can bounce Monday. Let's move to daily. Let's move to weekly, okay? It almost touched. Kind of last bar disconnected from 20. MACD very bullish. RSI in a very overbought territory. That's what happened. You see this point. It was December 2021. It was top of the market. And RSI was at the same level. And what happened from that level? It did bearish reversal. And it's still overbought. Very overbought. Very long run from January 2023, bullish trend for Apple, and the Qs was driven by Apple, like high tech, 10 high tech companies. Bullish trend, right? Bullish trend. We'll see. Very nice bull trend. Let's see daily what's going on for Apple. Same, it's in decision mode. Last Friday it was in decision mode. Still bullish with bearish divergence, right? You see the price action is very powerful bull trend. On MACD, it's a bearish divergence. On RSI, bearish divergence. Multiple bearish divergences on all indicators. You see histogram, bearish divergences. Multiple bearish divergences. Let me show you to make it visual. Bearish divergences on all indicators. You see powerful run, but no bearish divergences on all indicators. You see how it works. And let me show you here. It is like this one. Very simple, right? Very simple. Bearish divergences on all indicators. For Apple, let's move to on daily time frame only. Let's move to Tesla. Tesla weekly time frame. Nice 3 weeks run, bullish. 3 weeks in a row, bullish. Last bar above all moving averages. It is positive territory. MACD is still below zero, still bearish. RSI and Fibonacci bullish. MACD also bullish, but it's in a bearish territory. Bullish trend on all time frames. On weekly time frame on all indicators. Bullish trend on all indicators. It left huge gap over here, but not on a weekly time frame, on daily time frame. On weekly time frame, it is bullish. It is bullish on weekly time frame on all indicators for Tesla. The only one negative and big bullet, it's MA20. MA20, you see the yellow line. Actually, it didn't cross 200. You see it bounce. It touched 200 and it did bounce. We'll see. If Tesla will continue to go bullish, it will move 20 from the 200. Now 20 and 200 in the narrow state, right? In the narrow state, they can move up, it will be bullish, or they can move down. It is kind of based direction. From this direction, market can move in the two ways. You see what I did here? It was based position, and it did move up and was very bullish for a very long time, right? And now it is in decision. It's kind of flat. Will it continue to move up because of my 200 uptrend, or it will continue to go down and make direction down? That's why it's kind of neutral on weekly time frame. But signal is positive bullish. Daily time frame, straight uptrend direction. Did bullish crossover, right? Did bullish crossover over MA5, did bullish crossover over 200. 200 still downtrend, still bearish direction because it just recently was below all moving averages, below 200. Still 10 and 20 below 200. Only MA5 did bullish crossover. You see the price, it has huge bearish divergences, right? You see, let me show you. This level and this level, it's the uptrend price action. On MACD, it's a bearish divergence, right? Bearish divergence, and same bearish divergence on histogram, bearish divergence on RSI. RSI, let me show you. RSI bearish divergence. On MACD, very strong bearish divergence. On the RSI, it's kind of not strong, but it is divergent. That's what we observe. Tesla wants to have some correction. Apple wants to have correction. Tesla wants to have correction. BABA, NVIDIA, they all with bearish divergences. It means that when they will start bearish divergences, it will be bearish trend direction for Qs. Okay, let's move to BABA, Alibaba Group weekly time frame. BABA very weak. BABA very weak because you see last bar below all moving averages. Far from 200, very weak, very bearish. MACD red bearish. Heikanaichi red bearish. RSI bearish. BABA on weekly time frame very bearish. Still bearish because all moving averages below 20 and below 200. It is bearish territory on MACD below zero line. It's a bearish territory. Heikanaichi below zero line, bearish territory. All indicators in the bearish territory on weekly time frame. Daily time frame BABA is trying to get bullish. Buy signal from the script, still bearish territory. You see all moving averages below 200. Last bar moved about 20. It is positive signal. MACD ready for bullish crossover. Heikanaichi green ready for bullish trend. Still in the bearish territory, but ready for bullish crossover, especially it has bullish divergence, right? You see the price action from this point to this point, downtrend. On a MACD, you have bullish divergence. On RSI, it has bullish divergence. Bullish divergences on all indicators. It's very weak. BABA is very weak, but it wants to have bullish correction. Maybe not strong. Maybe it will move just to 200 and will be rejected. Like here it did. You see, it did move to 200 and it was rejected. That's possible. Okay. BABA, it's not strong, but on daily time frame it is more positive. NVIDIA. Let's start NVIDIA. Weekly time frame. NVIDIA weekly time frame, bullish trend. You see last bar last week was not so, yeah, last week it was kind of last week it just was plus 1%. Last week was plus 1% only. It did move up and down. MACD, you see it has huge, it has bearish divergence here. Yeah, bearish divergence on histogram, right? On MACD, destroyed bearish divergence. On RSI, destroyed also bearish divergence on the weekly time frame. Bearish divergences was destroyed on the all moving averages except histogram. MACD histogram still has bearish divergence. RSI very overbought RSI. It's around 47. Very overbought. Very definitely very overbought. And last bar, huge disconnection from 20. It disconnected from 10, from 5, from 10 and from 20. This very huge disconnection. It definitely will have correction to connect back to 20. And remove this overbought state. What is that white box? It's a gap. It's a 20% gap. The biggest gap I believe in the history. Not in the actually Nvidia did the biggest move run for one day. It was like $250 billion or even more, or $260 billion. The $60 gap is a 20% gap overnight. Huge pump. And yeah, it was on the overbought state. This gap, it moved from $306 to level $366, and after that it moved another 10%, right? Another 10%, and then in the niche 417, and now it's corrected already to 393. Okay, it's sideways bullish trend on all indicators for Nvidia. Let's move to DXY, USA dollar. USA dollar, like on daily, let's start daily time frame, right? 2 days ago it was sell signal, it did try to do bearish reversal, MACD changed to, not MACD, Fibonacci changed to red, and RSI did bearish crossover. It is bearish reversal signal on daily time frame. But last Friday it did nice bull run. We'll see, will it continue to bullish? And it like bounced from 20. It did connected to 20. Like 3 days ago it was disconnected from 20, connected to 20, and like here you see disconnected and moved up, continued to move down. Came back, continued, rejected. Came back, rejected. 20 is strong correction. It can be rejected, can bounce from 20. We'll see. Still kind of flat. We'll see, will it continue to go bullish or it will continue to go bearish, because all indicators they show signal to bearish reversal. Weekly time frame, USA dollar, weekly time frame, it is bullish. Nice buy signal. Last 3 weeks in a row it was bullish. Last week it was kind of indecision mode, flat price action. It didn't move anywhere. Buyers and sellers met at the same price level. MACD green bullish, RSI and Fibonacci bullish. All indicators bullish on weekly time frame for USA dollar. That's all. Let's do summary. Let me start from Qs. From Qs, yeah. Weekly time frame, very bullish on all indicators. Qs very strong, very bullish. S&P 500 strong, very bullish. Dow Jones just flat. It didn't move anywhere, just flat on weekly time frame. Dow Jones just flat, right? And IWM also kind of positive, but still in the bearish territory, below 200. Still bearish territory because all moving averages and bar below 200. Positive signal, but bearish territory, same. IWM and Dow weakest indexes. S&P strong, but the strongest is Qs on weekly time frame. That's what we observe. Now let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Please read it. And remember, on weekly time frame, I don't trade on the weekly time frame. For swing trading, I'm using daily or 4 hours time frame for entry and exit position. Thank you for watching. Simple trading style video. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel. Click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.